Hello guys, I've received many requests from some of you to demonstrate how anyone can delete many friends from Facebook at once. Facebook makes it difficult for its users to delete friends. So if you have 5,000 friends and you want to remove 2,000 of them, you have to do it one by one, and that will take forever. Using some tools online, we can easily select 100 friends, 200 friends, and delete them at once. So I am going to demonstrate that now. So the first thing is that you have to use the Chrome browser. So this doesn't work on Firefox, on Opera, it works only on Chrome. So I'm going to open my Chrome browser. And what you need to do is to Google Chrome Web Store. So it will give you this link, which is chrome.google.com/web store, but you can just Google it. The second step is to come to the web store and here search for l.o, l.o.c. So search for l.o.c and press enter. And this is the extension that we want to use. So it's a set of automation tools that you can use for many functions in Facebook. So let's click this and then add to Chrome. It will ask you for permission. Just click add extension and the extension will be installed. And it will automatically go to its dashboard if you had logged into Facebook. If you have not logged into Facebook, it will ask you to log in. After you've logged in, or if it goes automatically to its dashboard, this dashboard, all you have to do is go to Tools and Friends Remover. So this extension has two versions. There is the paid version and the free version. For this purpose, you just need the free version. You don't need to pay anything. So it will fetch all your friends list. Ignore this warning sometimes, and then you can see all your friends. So what I usually do is I click all and then I select those that I want to remain. So I don't want to remove Caroline, so I deselect Caroline. You can do the opposite. So you can deselect all and select those that you want to remove. So I select, if I want to remove Caroline, I just select that, select that, and click bye-bye. I will not click bye because I don't want to remove these friends of mine. Another trick is that if you have a lot of friends, maybe 5,000, just click on this and select and draw. So it will give you a list of 100 friends. So this will be a list of 100 friends. And you can select all that you want to remove. So if you want to remove all those friends, just select them. And again, go and click bye-bye. So you can remove in batches of 100. You can remove 100 friends and 200 friends, the next 100, 100, 100, and so on and so forth. You can do other things. You can do automated stuff, but that will need you to pay a little. So if you want to donate and support the developers of these extensions, you can do that. So yeah. And another problem is sometimes Facebook rate limits the number of friends that you can delete. So if you delete like 300, this will start refusing to work. So you just leave it for 12 hours and you get back to it. And you can easily cut down all the friends that you want to remove. Another thing you can do with this is do an interaction scanner. So an interaction scanner tells you the people who talk to you, who you communicate on Facebook, so that you can remove those CCTVs that are always silent. So you can select the date of. So I want to scan and see the people I've communicated with over the last 1 month from September. So let me go back to August, say August 20th. It's 20th, yep. from that time. And let me scan. And you can see the people who you talk to. So Cape Korea has commented 23 times, reacted 80 times, and you can just see the people you communicate with, and you can filter and remove people you don't talk to. So if I do 100 rows, I can easily see those that we communicate with, and I can see people who are just there online looking at what I am talking about without interacting, and I can remove those easily. So yeah, easy as that. Thank you, and come back for more IT stuff. My name is Brian. Have a good one. Thanks. Bye.